Hello, everyone. We just had a successful free trial of our tech and coding programs for kids this weekend. As you know, if you have been following us, our Facebook page, YTC has partnered with Timedoor Academy, a Japan and UK based curriculum tech and coding programs for kids. We're so happy to see how excited and interested the kids were as their Time Door teachers explained to them how to create games, apps, and websites. They were even taught how to make the robots move. If you want your children to develop their interest further in math, science, and English, or enhance their problem solving skills and analytical thinking, we invite you to come over and help them book a free trial in our Time Door coding classes.